so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the December Bombay and Cedar box, and it is heavy this month. I'm so curious to see what's inside. I have no idea. As usual, I avoided any videos, but I don't even think I've seen any posted yet, so this is extra exciting. So Bombay and Cedar is a lifestyle subscription. It has like lifestyle, wellness, aromatherapy. I think it's pretty unique from other subscriptions and I absolutely love it. And I love that they offer two different subscription plans. They have a mini and a premium box. I'm opening the premium box today. The mini box is $29.95 a month and the premium is $49.95. I do have a 10% off code I will leave on the screen and down below if you're interested in signing up. So I will unbox this and I will let you know as we go through it what items are only in the premium box and what's in the mini box, because they do let you know on their handout. So yeah, let's get started. So when I open it up, everything is wrapped in tissue. Usually there is a card right on top that has all the information, but maybe it is somewhere inside, but I'm not seeing it right now. But look at how jam-packed full of goodies this is. I am so excited. So let me see if I can find that card. Maybe it's missing this month, because you know, like I said, it's always right on top. All right, so yeah, as of now, I don't see the card that talks about like the item descriptions and the pricing. Maybe it's somewhere in there, but I'll just show you the items for now as we go along. Hopefully it shows up. But the first thing I see is a snack. So it seems like they always include a snack, which is really good. So this is steamed and marinated snacks. This is artichoke with basil and thyme, or thyme, I can never say, or thyme, I think it is. This is vegan, no trans fats, gluten-free, non-GMO. It's a fresh alternative to dry snacks. Only 20 calories. I love artichokes. This intrigues me. I'm definitely going to eat this. Kind of makes me hungry. And the next item is a necklace. It's by Wanderlust & Co. and it says by Inspired Hearts for Your Adventures. And it looks like it has some zodiac stuff. So this is 14 to 18 karat gold. Let's get this open. It's nickel free for those wondering. I know some people have a nickel allergy. Ooh, this is super pretty. I might put this on. I'm already rocking like an extreme look today. I just did a try on video, so I have like blue eyeshadow on. I normally don't do that, so I put on these like star earrings. I'm like, why not? But I think this is really pretty. Gosh, I wish I could tell you guys the pricing and stuff, but oh my god, we have a candle. You guys know I love getting candles so much, and it's called Pumpkin Souffle. This is by Original Formula. Hand poured blend, number fragrance 7579. Is that focusing? And then the top is really pretty too. I can't wait to smell this. Oh my gosh, smells so good. It's like pumpkin spice, but better. It's not exactly pumpkin spice. Like sometimes pumpkin spice can be a little strong. It's like a little bit more mild. It smells more like pie, like pumpkin pie. Or I guess pumpkin souffle. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. This smells amazing. I'm just gonna keep this open right next to me so I could smell it throughout the rest of the unboxing. And we have something in here. At first I thought it was gonna be another candle. I'm like, no way. There's this little bag, I don't know what that's for, but and then, oh, okay. So now I get it. So this comes with a little like muslin cloth bag. This is LM Organics, number 12, oatmeal colloidal bath soap, green tea, and peppermint, made from 100% organic ingredients. Awesome. So I think what you do is just put some of this into the bag. Does it have directions on here? Yeah, you must have to put it in the bag and then put it in your bath, or you can just scoop this and put it in your bath. So I think you can do either one. Oh wow, yeah, definitely smells like peppermint. Next thing, I'm not sure what this is. Let's get it out of the bag and see. Cleaner on the go. It's in this cute bag. Still not sure what it is. Let's get it out. Cleaner on the go. Oh my god, this is so convenient. I think this is like to get like lint and like cat hair off your clothes. Again, I wish I had the description so I could tell you guys, but I'm sure we can figure it out. Let's look at it. Cool. So I think you just like rub that against your clothes. And then, oh wow, it opens. And there's like different ways, so there's different add-ons you can put on depending on the type of thing you're trying to remove, like if it's like pilling or like cat hair or dust. That's so cool. I've never seen anything like that. See what I mean? Like, you get things in this box you never would get in others. And I like how it comes with like a little travel bag so you can just keep it in here. I will definitely use this because I am constantly dealing with cat hair on me, and also I get pilling on my clothes sometimes, so that will definitely come in handy. Oh my god, there's a scrunchie around some vitamins. Oh my god, I've heard so much about this brand. So Sugar Bear Hair Women's Multivitamin. So these are vegan gummies. It says it has omega-3, vitamin B12, and vitamin C and D2. Like, so I've never tried these before, but I've definitely heard a lot about them. They kind of came up in like Dramageddon, right? Or was that Dramageddon Part 2? I don't know. You know, if you follow that stuff. I try not to anymore with like Tati and stuff. But these are supposed to be like hair vitamins. I know Sugar Bear Hair like sponsors a lot of people's videos, I think. So these are gluten-free, soy-free, cruelty-free. They're shaped like little cute bears. I don't know if you can tell. I'll definitely take them. I really want to get better about taking multivitamins, and I feel like if it's a chewy thing like this, I'll probably remember and be more likely to use it. But it says, Sugar Bear Gummies are an easy-to-use, scientifically formulated vegan vitamin complex designed for women. Stop gulping down large, smelly pills and start enjoying sweet, delicious, berry-flavored Sugar Bear Gummies. Formulated with omega-3, vitamin B12, C, D2, E, and more. 16 micronutrients to help supplement vitamins many women may be missing. Designed with folate, a form of vitamin B9. They have vegan sourced amino acids, which may aid in collagen production, made in the USA, free of artificial sweetener. Oh, that's good, because I thought someone said these are mostly like sugar. Well, the ingredients besides like the vitamin does say like glucose syrup, but that's probably just what like makes it taste so good. But yeah, I don't mind getting this. I know some people don't like supplements and stuff like that, but I don't mind. And I feel like with my education and background, I can like look into this more. And then we have a scrunchie. You guys, I love scrunchies. I have one now. I don't know if you could tell because my big head is like cut off. But I love scrunchies, and this has like the little bears on it. I love that it came with this. That's like a cute touch, and I will totally use it. I love scrunchies. Oh, we have something that I actually already own. It looks like it may have leaked a little bit. This is by Floor & B. I did a video a while back reviewing some of their products. And this is their vitamin C serum, and I'm a big fan of vitamin C. I do like this. I just have rotated it out because I received in my box by Fashion Star vitamin C serum by Teamy Blend, so I was testing that. This one I do like. It's a little drying, but you put moisturizer on afterwards. But Floor & B is a great company. It's like, it has all good ingredients. It's natural. They donate, cruelty-free. Yeah, they give 1% to charity, and it is affordable. I actually use one of their eye creams, or I think it's their only eye cream, unless they expand their range. They have like 4 or 5 items. I've tried them all. The eye cream I use all the time. It's called like Eyes Baby, so they're kind of funny too. So yeah, I'm happy to get this, and it didn't leak. There's a little protector on it. I don't know why I thought it did, just because there's like some yellow on there. I don't know. That's probably just from like transport or something, because this definitely has not leaked because it has like plastic on it. But yeah, I know this is probably like less than $15 or around that probably. So yeah, definitely can speak for this one at least. I like it. Coming down to the end, we have a 12-month undated planner, and it says every moment is beautiful. This is a very beautiful journal. On the back it says a planner to inspire joy and gratitude. It features guided activities, meditations, and reflections, monthly and weekly calendar views, undated format that's easy to start at any time of the year, note pages with space for your own thoughts and to-dos. Cool. So it has like weekly stuff. I don't know if you can tell. And then, yeah, it has some prompts. It says, which moments made you happiest this week? Or what are your hopes for next week? Then they have like monthly views too. I love stuff like this. And then there's some quotes. Gladly accept the gifts of the present hour, Horace. What did you share this week? What did you find for relaxation this week? Awesome. I love stuff like this, and it's so pretty. Like, great display for like your desk, right? Or like anywhere. This is so pretty. I love the colors. And then last but not least, we have our essential oils. So every month you get 2 essential oils from Bombay and Cedar, and it comes in this cute drawstring bag. And this month it looks like there's like pineapples on it. I love it. inside here too, there's also more information on the oils. It'll tell you the benefits, precautions, and what they blend well with. So what did we get this month? The first one I see, oh, refreshing bergamot mint. This is what it looks like. I love their essential oils. So let's smell this. I don't think I've ever smelled bergamot and mint together. Maybe I have, but this smells good. Let's see what the benefits are of this one. And usually these essential oils range from like $14 to $24 or something, depending on the oil. So this one can act as an antidepressant, antispasmodic, sedative, deodorant, decongestant, diuretic, disinfectant, stimulant, and tonic. Interesting. And it lists some things it blends with, which is my favorite, so then you can like put them in your diffuser together, so great. And the next one is Soothing Silver Fir. Wow, I've definitely never tried this one. Smell this. By the way, I always like to look up like what is safe around pets. I advise anyone who has pets at home to do the same with essential oils. It does not say, oh yeah, this one says keep away from children and pets. So I think they might say that with all the oils, but definitely do research with stuff like this. Anything that's diffusing in the air for like kids too. This smells like very earthy. I like that. So it says this is supposed to, well, it lists a bunch of benefits, but then it says this tonic action also helps boost emotions, bringing upliftment to downheartedness, negativity, sadness, stress, and nervous exhaustion. Wow, that's good to know. So if I'm ever feeling down, I'm gonna maybe put some in my diffuser if it's safe to do so, or do it away from my pets. I can see that. So that was everything. Let me just double check we don't have the card. That's disappointing. So yeah, I don't see the information card anywhere unless it somehow fell out, but I don't think so. So sorry, like in the beginning I said I would point out what was only in the mini box or what was only in the premium box or both. But I'm unable to do that or provide pricing, but I can say from all my past videos that the value is always there. I have playlists for pretty much all my boxes if you want to check out past unboxings, but I think this was a good box. Let's do a quick recap. So we got the 2 essential oils, which we just talked about. We have the Flora and Bee Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. I love this and I love vitamin C. I think it's great for the skin. I feel like it's really helped improve the texture of my skin in general, so I think that's great they included this. I think it's cool we got this Gleaner on the go thing, like to help with like anything on your clothes, any lint, cat hair, whatever. That's cool. I'm definitely going to use that, and like I said, that's very unique and I'm happy to have it. We have our Sugar Bear multivitamins, which I'll probably take one after I eat today. I haven't had my breakfast or lunch yet, and a scrunchie. I love scrunchies. And the candle we got, oh, this might be my favorite item just because I love candles. I always get excited for them. In my opinion, you can't have too many candles, like seriously. I always have one burning in my home, and yeah, my home smells pretty freaking good most time, so love that, and that kind of makes me hungry. And then we have this Organics Oatmeal Colloidal Bath Soap with green tea and peppermint. So yeah, I wish we had the card to like figure out what this bag's for, because I'm pretty sure you can just sprinkle it into your bath, but I bet they put this muslin cloth in there on this little bag so you can like put the drawstring so you can still get the benefits of it without getting your bath kind of dirty, because I've used stuff like this and then you kind of have to clean out your bath afterwards, so I'm guessing that's why they provided it, which I appreciate. We have our artichoke snack. They always have a healthy snack each month. I love that. And I love this necklace. Actually, I think this might be my favorite item. I can see myself wearing this often. Very pretty. So was that everything? I think so. So yeah, I can't give you the price and everything, but this is what came in the box. I love this box. I highly recommend it. I said it was in my top subscription boxes when I did a collab way back. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.